welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by, I appreciate it. People randomly screaming, that's what you deal with in construction when you work with idiots. Anyways, so as you can see, it looks a little bit different than yesterday. Took these two pipes down right here, change of plans, and these three pipes right here were going straight right here, but we've moved all those over, and now we're waiting for the 22s to connect that. We're gonna push those over, and then we're gonna take these two pipes and push them over here, because first of all, this wall right here, I'll show you this room right here, the mechanical room for the elevator. We were gonna put the pipes along the side of it right here, but then we didn't want to get in the way of the plumber because there's a pipe going over there, so we're trying to keep the pipes as close as we can to the left side. So that's what's going on right there. So basically took these two pipes down, moved these three pipes over. My coworker basically moved those pipes over, helped him a little bit, and then we basically just ran this 4-inch down this side for the rest of the day. I can't remember if we did something else, but I don't feel like it. I was hanging some more struts behind us. I'll show you that here in a second. But basically just hanging these 4 pipes here with my coworker. These pipes are about 40 pounds a piece, I believe, 39 pounds. Because this whole pallet right here is like 1,100 and some pounds. So if you divide that by how many ever pipes there are, it's like 39 pounds or something a piece. So they're pretty heavy, so you definitely can't hang it, stand over here, hang it 8 feet away, or yeah, can't stand here and just hold it, push it over there 8 feet and get it in the hole, because it's pretty heavy, and that'll throw your back out real quick. So got a dude cutting stuff down there, but anyways, hanging the pipe down here. So I got these pipes going all the way down here to the very end again. Show you that. So it's like, get something done, take it apart, get something done, take it apart. So, and then we'll have to raise these up a little bit down the road, so that'll be fun. Basically have to either use some kind of wrench to just screw these up all the way, or we're just gonna have to raise it up a few inches, cut it, raise it up a few inches, cut it with a deep socket to screw it in there faster. So anyways, this is the end. I hung these struts here. This is a long piece right here, so I had to extend that. Might have to fix that later if the nuts are in the way and the washers. But you got that angle piece right there. I don't know if that's going to be beneficial for anything. Then I got these 3 pieces hung right there. And the guys were starting to work on hanging these junction boxes right there, but at the end of the day ran out. So that's what happened there. I think that's basically it. As you can see that, just got all these going down here. So these are pretty much strapped to right. I think it's strapped right there, and then I gotta work on strapping these ones right there, all 8 of those. So I just have to follow the measurements, and it's turning out pretty decently well. It looks decently straight, so that's good for the most part. And yeah, so that's what I worked on today, and what I'll be working on Monday and probably Tuesday. So kind of boring for you guys, probably watching me do the same stuff over and over, but that's the real world. So some days you do the same thing over and over, some days you do 10 different things in a day. So just kind of the real world situation out here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and stay safe out there and have a good one. I'll see you guys back here on Monday at the latest. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you back here on Monday. I already said that. And don't forget to check out the description for anything else you need to get a hold of, like social medias, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks, guys. See you later. God bless. Peace.